Forecast weather from where you live.
Just a couple little random downpours out there right now. One little isolated thunder shower here in northwest Fulton County. Here's Highway 17, and this is 14 going east-west. This is very slowly drifting eastward. Then we've got another one that's approaching Warren County. That's the top of that little cloud that looked like a head of cauliflower off in the distance here as we're looking southwest towards Warren County. So this, if it holds together, it's eventually going to kind of wobble its way just to the north of Foster here, down in southern Warren County. Of course, here is Covington, and again, it's kind of wobbling its way this way, pretty close to Pence and State Line City right now. These won't last very long. We probably have another couple of hours of one of these random thunder showers. Then things kind of simmer down as our weak little upper low kind of works its way, which is south of us, works its way east and northeastward. This is a little cold front coming in from the north. This will kind of skim by us on Wednesday and bring slightly better rainfall coverage. Still pretty scattered though. Coverage only peaking about 35%. And if you look right here, when the satellite was visible right there, that dark gray color, this milky gray, that is thick wildfire smoke from Canada. And boy, I was looking at some of these webcam pictures from Bismarck today, and the sun was obscured most of the day. I mean, it was a faint glowing ball in the sky. So this is very thick smoke, and some of this is going to gradually make it down into our area. This is Wednesday at noon. You can see some of the thicker smoke arriving, and it may thicken up more even into Thursday. Now that's smoke that's thousands of feet up. This is smoke that's mixing down to the surface and causes your respiratory issues. You can see the darker blues coming into our area later on Thursday. So our air quality is really going to start to go downhill, and some of this thicker smoke near the ground may even make it in here by the end of the week. And if that wasn't enough, look at this. Look at these massive Saharan dust storms rolling off West Africa. This has put the kibosh on the hurricane season for now, but it's rare to get dust this far north up into our area. So by the time we get to early next week or late in the upcoming weekend, this dust is all moving towards our area. So between the hazy effects of the dust and the smoke, it's just going to be, it's just hazy, dry, and hot outside, and the air's bad. 85 for the high tomorrow. Smoky haze, an isolated shower or storm possible after some patchy, dense fog in the morning. There are your 80s. There are your heat indices in the 80s to low 90s. We're in the mid 80s with smoky haze Wednesday with a few scattered storms later on in the day. Humid too, 85 to near 90 with heat indices upper 80s to the mid 90s. Again, your fog with time tonight and nothing more than an isolated shower or storm tomorrow from these clouds bubbling up in the heating of the day. Then Wednesday, smoky haze just like tomorrow, and we bubble up a few scattered storms as that weak cold front kind of skims by us. That'll make it less humid on Thursday at 83 after maybe a morning shower, and then otherwise it's smoky, it's dusty, especially early next week, and it gets hot. The upper ridge kind of takes over, highs back to the 90s.